It was a long road to get to that point.
Il y avait tout un chemin pour se rendre là.
It was a major step to come to that crossroads.
Et c'était une étape majeure que d'arriver à cette croisée des chemins.
And our people were very moved by that apology.
Et notre peuple a été très touché par ces excuses.
They were very touched by what they heard, the sincerity of what they felt expressed from our Prime Minister.
Touchés par ce qu'ils ont entendu, touchés par la sincérité du Premier ministre Harper.
We know that forgiveness is not political.
Nous savons que le pardon n'est pas politique.
Forgiveness cannot be addressed in our court systems.
Le pardon ne peut pas être une question de nos cours de justice.
It is not economical.
Il n'est pas économique.
It cannot be bought, sold, or traded.
Il ne peut être ni acheté, ni vendu, ni échangé.
Forgiveness is spiritual.
Le pardon est spirituel.
It requires every individual
Il demande que chaque individu
the right to choose to forgive or not.
exerce son droit de choisir de pardonner ou pas,
That remains with each and every one of us as individuals.
qui nous appartient tous à chacun de nous en tant qu'individu.
So as we are gathered here, a national coalition of First Nation, Inuit, and Métis individuals,
Étant donc rassemblés ici, cette coalition d'individus de la part des Premières Nations, des Inuits et des Métis,
we are not speaking on behalf of anyone.
nous ne parlons au nom de qui que ce soit.
We recognize that each individual has that right to choose, to exercise, to forgive or not to forgive.
Mais nous reconnaissons que chaque personne a cette liberté de faire ce choix de pardonner ou pas.
But the journey of freedom has gone across Canada.
Mais le parcours de liberté a franchi le Canada.
And has gone to listen and to encourage people, those that are ready to come together.
Et est allé partager, écouter ceux qui sont prêts à se rassembler.
To come together this weekend where we are now.
À se rassembler cette fin de semaine, là où nous sommes maintenant.
So we are all individuals
Donc nous sommes tous des individus
who have made a choice
qui avons fait un choix
to come together
de venir ensemble
and to be encouragement to one another
et d'être un encouragement les uns pour les autres
and to spur one another to good things.
et de nous motiver les uns les autres aux bonnes choses.
And so we have heard the apology of our Prime Minister,
Et nous avons entendu les excuses du Premier ministre,
but we have not yet come together to respond.
mais nous ne sommes pas encore venus ensemble pour donner une réponse.
That's why we are here today.
C'est pourquoi nous sommes ici aujourd'hui.
As a national coalition
En tant que coalition nationale
of individuals
d'individus
who will choose this day
qui vont choisir aujourd'hui
to respond to the Prime Minister's request.
de répondre à la demande du Premier ministre.
He has asked for forgiveness.
Il a demandé pardon.
The onus was put upon us
La responsabilité nous a été donnée
to respond.
de répondre
So we are going to do that
et nous allons le faire
in the next few moments.
dans les prochains moments.
I just want you to be prepared.
Je veux que vous soyez prêts.
Prepare in your hearts.
Préparez vos cœurs.
This is probably the more serious thing that we will do together as individuals.
C'est probablement la chose la plus sérieuse que nous allons faire ensemble en tant qu'individus.
And remember, you're not speaking on behalf of anyone.
Et rappelez-vous que vous ne parlez au nom de personne d'autre.
You're speaking on behalf of yourself.
Vous parlez en votre propre nom personnel.
Because you recognize
Parce que vous reconnaissez
that it's your healing,
que c'est votre guérison
it's your freedom.
et c'est votre liberté.
And we come together to hope and pray for those that are not ready,
Et nous venons ici pour espérer et prier pour ceux qui ne sont pas prêts,
to one day be ready.
pour qu'un jour ils soient prêts.
So I just want you to be prepared.
Alors je voulais simplement que vous vous prépariez.
We are about to transition
Nous sommes maintenant à un point de transition
into the most serious step that we can take.
vers le pas le plus sérieux que nous pouvons prendre.
One more step
Un pas de plus
in the journey of healing,
dans un parcours de guérison,
in the journey of freedom.
dans un parcours de liberté.
So I want you to watch this clip.
Je veux que nous regardions ce clip ensemble.
for apologizing to our people. And they are going to feel worthy that there was something that happened to them was done. I release any grudge that I've held towards them, whether I knew it or I didn't know it. But I know forgiveness is freedom. So I release any bitterness, any resentment against the government.
I'm asking the Lord to take the pain away. He won't take the memory away, but the pain and the sting of this rejection, for the sake of myself and for the sake of the generations to come, I choose to forgive you.
Amen.
Isumagayunan Stephen Harper, I forgive you. I cannot know how many Isumagayunan kasi.
Mr. Harper, I forgive you, I love you, and I thank you for your apology.
Prime Minister Harper, I really appreciate to have this time to speak to you, and I forgive all the things that hurt us, that took away our identity, and I believe we're on a journey, we're on the right journey for restoration.
God bless you, Prime Minister. This is a real honor. I honor you. I just released blessings upon you that you had the Spirit within you to ask for forgiveness.
I am on the journey of freedom. I've been on this journey for 24 years now. And it's good to see that I have my brothers and my sisters here and different denominational churches who are willing to stand by me.
Thank you for apologizing, and I would accept his apology and forgive him as well. And I would ask him for my forgiveness for it. The anger I had towards the government and the white people.
I thank you from the bottom of my heart that you have acknowledged what has happened to us as the Métis people. And I want to respond to that apology today. I want to thank you for your sincerity and the heart that the apology was given. We forgive and take that posture so that our people will be led to freedom.
In order to really heal and really go on with my life, I have to forgive. And God says in His Word to forgive before, so He'll forgive you. That's the reason why I've come through this journey, and it's not an easy one, but it's one that God is bringing me through with His strength, not my own.
I forgive you, and I knew that you really meant it with your heart. I see it, and I just want to thank you for humbling yourself to ask the First Nation to forgive you.
I say this to the government of Canada and the churches of Canada and the people of Canada who elected this government that did this to my nation and my peoples. And I say to you, I forgive you at the present. And God will walk me through that forgiveness. Stephen Harper, thank you. Thank you. And if we work together, Canada will be the most prosperous country in the world. And we will offer healing to other nations.